Some local students had the opportunity to do original research on a national scale. Naperville News 17's Evan Summers looks into how their findings could rewrite history.
What makes some documents stand the test of time and others fade away? Wang and Rick Li, both students at Naperville Central, have been conducting experiments to figure out just that.
We were analyzing exactly the historic composition of the ink, so we wanted to know over that time, did anything over the composition of the ink change? And then we could see, was it because the ink was different, or was it because over time the ink has a different effect on the paper? Things like that. So we wanted to analyze the changes over time.
But unlike most high school scientists, Lucy and Rick got to conduct part of their research at Argonne National Laboratory, working alongside Dr. Volker Rose and using Argonne's advanced photon source.
So what happens is they shoot x-rays, and from these x-rays we get like extra energy, and these energy go through our sample, and then from the way that the rays interact with the sample, then we can see what elements are in the sample.
Based on their findings, the duo also tried to develop their own ink, hoping to make one that could last even longer.
We wanted to see how does the ink kind of absorb into the paper, if it just stays on the surface, if it kind of enters like the matrix of all the different fibers, how exactly that interacts and how that works over time.
After working on this research all school year, the pair presented their findings at Argonne, alongside other scientists of all ages.
I thought it was incredible. I know in classrooms we learn a lot of theory, but actually being out there, being in an actual lab, seeing what real scientists do every day, that's something that, it's an amazing opportunity that we have, and I thought it kind of really put a lot of what we're learning into perspective.
Reporting for Naperville News 17, I'm Evan Summers.
Rick and Lucy worked with samples of historical documents provided by Naper Settlement.